got another cool K5 to look at today. So with this is an 80s tagless Widefont K5LA. So 80s bells, they're cast a little different in the 80s. There's casting marks on them, you can tell they're 80s bells. They also have maybe a little bit more of a mellow sound to them than your later bells, like your 90s and then your 2000s. So this is a Widefont horn, and what I mean by Widefont is your back caps have the zeros that are in the part numbers are Widefont. They're like, I guess they're O's instead of zeros. So that's what this looks like. You also have narrow font back caps, and that's after your 1989, 1990s, when they swapped over to that. And then 2014, they did swap back to the Widefont, but you have the Arch Nathan Airchime. So this is a 80s tagless horn. Tagless, just there's no tag on the manifold, there's no holes where a tag could be riveted on. But anyway, really good sounding horn. This is a K5LA, so it's got a 1, it's got a 2, a 3A, and then it's got a 4A and a 5. So those are your bells. This horn, I believe is ex Norfolk Southern, and it's been painted. This one, I just got it in not too long ago from another collector, and he's had this in his collection for a long time. So I don't know what engine it came from, but I do know it was Norfolk Southern, and then at some point it got painted silver, so it does have black paint under it. But anyway, good sounding horn. I'll just show you the back of it. Actually surprised me. It's much better sounding than I thought it was going to be. So I probably will be selling this horn eventually. But anyway, I appreciate it, guys. This is the 80s Widefont tagless K5LA.